Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing like a makeup tutorial because I know usually it's like Lollipop saying pop-up videos, so I'm gonna use whatever the heck this is. Start it off with. If you use like a lot of this majorly, it'll actually turn your face green. I tried it and I used it as like blush and it turned green, so it's easy to get off though. Anyways, next I'm going to add some blush. This is the blush I'll be adding. Okay, you can see the rose inside of it completely faded. It's just what. Ew. I got blush like on my mouth, so trying to get it off of my mouth. Oh, that's a lot. Maybe I should like blend that in. Oh, that's like a Korean girl makeup. Whenever I'm looking up, it's because I'm looking at the mirror since the phone's a bit darker, so. Then I'm just gonna use this. I don't know why. Don't really know if it's for this. I like this side better. It's softer. Like if you do it super light, it feels good. Anyways, so yeah, tomorrow will be South Padre, so I get to make that video for y'all of where I'm teaching my baby lives how to swim. So yeah. And it just turned dark. Hold on. Never mind. Whatever. Then I gotta do some eyeshadow. So first off, I like to do like that, like the white spot in the corner. But instead, I'm going to use pink. Hold on. Oh, this brush is like pointy. I don't know. I'll just use that for the regular part of the eyeshadow. Maybe like a natural clean girl. Anyways, of course I'm gonna add on to some more of this video because I'm done with usually my, so this, I'm already done with my makeup. So I will like do, gosh, this baby is I'm sure. Oh my gosh. Do I see a person over there? Is there a person? Anyways, it's really short, but whatever. So, since I already finished with the makeup, I'm gonna add like a little POV to this, so. Because I know y'all probably want like a funny part, but also it's like a POV because I've never done POVs, which I said I might. So POV, you're starting to become a YouTuber, since I am not just like because I'm not just like an already, you know. Hopefully YouTube will see these videos. Anyways, guys, someone please tell me how to make videos on Roblox. Okay, so let's see what is the first thing I have to do for starting. Ooh, ASMR. I have something right here. It's such a good ASMR thing. Hi guys, today we'll be giving some ASMR inside this video. So guys, if you can't see the makeup, it's because it's just dark. Oh my gosh. Guys, ASMR. I want to eat it so bad. Are you okay, Mom? Yeah. What a good ASMR. Try again. Whatever. Okay. How about this time? This doll, maybe. Fine, accepted. Oh, finally, done with the ASMR one. Next up, gaming on Roblox. Alright. Got my remote thing. Okay, now I gotta start. I love playing DTI. Singing. Just like in the sky. Was that good? That's accepted. Thank you. Making stuff for kids that literally the learning for. Kids, look at this cute toy I have. Okay, remember, don't eat it. Honestly, that makes me feel kind of weird, so. Accepted. Next challenge, doctoring. Ooh, that one's a good one. I'm gonna give my patient an electric shot. Time for your injection. Flies to Ohio. That is not okay. Free try, you gotta do it with yourself. I don't need someone injecting me. Does it mean it has to be realistic? Whatever. Maybe you'll just get pregnant or something. Pregnant with a plushie. Why do I always take things too serious? Going to the beach. Okay guys, today I'm gonna go to the beach. This is gonna carry some preppy ASMR with it. So I'm gonna bring this cute towel. Okay, I'm sorry if it doesn't really give ASMR, but... And we're gonna teach my baby how to swim. Yay! Okay. Back float. Good job. Back float, back float, back float, back float. Now front float. Front float, front float, front float. Okay. Accepted. Next up, you will be doing kawaii or like cinema stuff. Oh, I love cinema. I have so much cinema stuff. Guys, we are going on like a cinema thing. I don't know. So this is what I carry around in this bag with me. My friendship bracelet from my friend. My little cinema slap bracelet. Some cute lip gloss, just in case, because it also kind of brings some chapstick inside of it too. And then, oh my gosh, guys. This isn't just like a cinema roll video. I got this cute lap boo. But cinema rolls always so cute. I always have to carry my little pet around. Accepted. Go crazy. Didn't mean go sus. Not accepted. Why is this so hard? On stage. Why do I have to put this on YouTube? Just like a sky. Okay, it's the only song I can only like sing fully, other than I wanna, but I don't know. So next up, Taba. Taba? Oh yeah. Taba. Oh no. Oh! Hey, got some sprinkles on me. Oh yeah, Mom, I don't know where that sprinkle on the ground went from this Taba squishy. I was trying to use it because I was like filming a video. Like, you're like a YouTuber and you're like either accepted or not accepted. So I was like doing the Taba. Guys, I gotta go and wash my hands real quick. Because, yeah, I got sprinkles all over them. My friend definitely put way less sprinkles on her, but look at this, guys. It's sprinkle shots, candy hearts, that's all I could say. That was me like saying something with the water. Like every time I wash my hands, I don't know why this is just like a habit, but I always get with the water. But anyways. Okay, next one is make a sleepover. Not so bad. Okay. But we're only doing the beauty essentials part, so I have some ideas. First up, this. I love doing ASMR, I just can't always do it, but